Asante sana. Azimio. Azimio. Yeah, let me reaffirm, having signed the notice as the chairman of the National Executive Council, that we shall resume maandamano on 2nd May. And one of the main reasons of the 2nd May maandamano is what is happening here. We have complained as a coalition that Kainan is a member of Azimio. We must respect rule of law. Still, Azimio can legally leave Jubilee. Still, Jubilee can still legally leave Azimio. And there is a process. This process has not even commenced, but they want now to force it through what they are doing here illegally. If they followed the proper process and they moved out, obviously we shall call for a by-election in all those constituencies of the MPs who will have moved with Jubilee. That is the process. And as leaders, we must respect the rule of law and respect others. If you are a leader, you expect others to respect you, and then you also have to reciprocate by respecting others. Because what is happening to Jubilee is very unfortunate. This country is headed in the wrong direction. We cannot allow this. We have so many problems. People have been crying of high cost of living, issues that they should be dealing with. And now they are dealing with the issues of 2027. Can we continue campaigning for 5 years when our people are suffering? We can't do this. So Kenya Kwanza should respect multipartism. And this is one of the critical issues that is on the table already. I will request that Kainan should voluntarily resign from that committee. Because one person cannot hold Kenya at ransom. He should leave. Otherwise, if we have problem, we shall be crying this one person called Kainan. Thank you very much.